In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Upstream O2 sensor in your Kia Soul. It's located behind your engine and also in your exhaust pipe. All right, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Make sure you put your terminal off to the side, not touching any metal. I'm going to take off this cover. Really just is held down by some rubber grommets. Take that off, get it out of your way. This is where the connector is. We're going to unplug it. By pressing down on this, pulling that out, set that off to the side. Next, we're going to free it up out of this bracket using a pry bar. All right, so O2 sensors typically need to be heated up to come out, so we're going to use our induction heater here. We're just going to heat up the housing. I'm using a 22mm wrench to get the O2 sensor loose. I've cracked it loose, now we're on top, behind the engine, where I can get to it a little easier. All right, so we are going to reach down behind the engine. I'm not making my connector, I'm not connecting my connector yet until I have this tight in the exhaust. All right, once you have hand tightened, you can use your wrench. And you want to just snug it up as best you can. We might tighten it a little bit more underneath when we go back down. In the meantime, let's unravel our cord and plug. Gentle not to kink your wire. So here we are at our bracket. Looks like it's going to fit fine. And find our other end. Snap it into place, slide it into the bracket. Like that. I'm going to feed the wire up through here, squeeze that shut. So now we can put this back on before we lift the car again. All right, so you're going to want to torque your O2 sensor to 36 foot-pounds. And there we go. I'm going to connect our negative battery terminal, push it down all the way, get a 10mm socket. And tighten it down. Just make sure you check your terminal, make sure it doesn't move once you have it on your battery.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.